A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. Once, there was a fisherman who lived in a little house by the ocean. He fished every day to feed his family. One day, he caught nothing except one small fish. This is not much, thought the fisherman, but it is better than nothing. The little fish hopped around in the net and cried out to the fisherman, "Please return me to the water," the fish said. "I am too small to be a good dinner. Someday, I will be big and fat. You could catch me then and feed your family for a week." The fisherman listened as the fish spoke. He knew that his family would love a big, fat fish. But he also knew that the ocean was very big. If he threw the fish back, he would never ever find it again. "Little fish," he said, "I would be a fool to put you back. You will only be a small meal for my family, but at least they will have some food. I cannot feed them with silly dreams." Then he added further, "Sorry, I cannot let forego my certain gain for an uncertain profit." After that, the fisherman took the little fish to his house. Appreciate the small things that you have. Don't give them up to chase impossible things. Moral: a little thing in hand is worth more than a great thing in prospect.